Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS tutorials for beginners to advanced, and right now we'll be discussing about CSS layout again. We'll be discussing about the Z index property. The Z index property specifies the stack order of an element. Once again, the Z index property specifies the stack order of an element. The Z index property, when elements are positioned, they can overlap other elements. The Z index property specifies the stack order of an element, which element should be placed in front of or behind of another element. So I'm going to show you how all this works together and form something special. Like for this example, in this example right here, an element can have a position or negative stack order, depends on what you want. Like this one right here, we are having in this example right here, as you can see, we are having an image, and an image behind an image, at the front of that image we are having a text. So the Z index is the one that is controlling this kind of such a thing. So I'm going to show you how all these kind of things works together and form something nice for us. Because the image has a Z index of -1, it will be placed behind the text. That's what happens right here. That's why we are able to click our image right here, and also that's why we are able to click our text also, because the text is at the front. So let's meet in the next tutorial and keep this very well. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.